I heard that carrying a water bottle makes you more attractive, so. Someone sent me flowers. How much did you pay for that?
$17.
So he just called me and he's like, let's go get pizza. And I'm like, usually I would say no, but I'm just like, oh, why not? Good morning. It is currently 7 a.m. and we're gonna get ready for the gym. Remember that Aloe Yoga sent me a package, so let's open it. Okay, cute, a bodysuit. All right, sports bra, some flare leggings. Oh, period. I just know that these are gonna look good. Okay, some sweatpants. Oh, I need to poop. I had like one sip of fucking coffee and all of a sudden I need to poop. Snap sweatpants. Bro, I'm gonna be in the gym with my shorts on and then I just ripped it. Oh no, I did not do that. Anyways, thank you to Aloe. I don't know if I want to wear this to the gym though, to be honest. Maybe, we're gonna try these on. Psych, this is the outfit. Okay, we have this sports bra is from Alpha Elite. I'm gonna link everything down below, by the way. This top is from Lululemon and then these shorts are from Set Active. I tried on a bunch of different things. I haven't found the vibe yet. We're finally starting to take the sweatpants off because it's getting a little bit hotter out. So I'm trying to figure it out, but I'm gonna go in with the Hemp's Sweet Pineapple Honey Melon Herbal Body Butter because I don't want to be ashy. Time is currently 8 a.m. I should probably hurry the fuck up. My friend is reading Atomic Habits and she's like, oh my god, I feel like I understand you now. And I'm like, do you, like, this is what I mean. If y'all haven't read the book Atomic Habits yet, go read it. I literally just bought the physical copy because I've listened to the audiobook like 3 times now and I was like, ooh, I kind of want the physical copy so I can highlight things. But that book is my Bible. I live by Atomic Habits by James Clear.
What? Are you hungry?
Oh my god, why the f would I leave my, bro? I gotta get back into my habits. My parents were here for like 3 days, and she was like cleaning and doing everything for me, so I wasn't doing it. And now that she's gone, I kind of forgot that I have to do it myself now, so I have to get back into my habits and like clean up and do all this stuff. So there's everywhere around my house, just like random things, and I don't even want to look at it. Like, I don't even want to look at it. Like, why? What is this? Today is just gonna be like a day in New York, but I just want to show you guys around. I'm gonna go to the gym now, and then later I'm gonna meet up with your mom, Ashley. If you guys know her from YouTube, we're gonna go get some lunch. I'm also gonna just, you know, go around the town and just like figure out things to do. You know what I mean? Like New York City, the Big Apple. Oh, also, we're just gonna clean up around the house and just be productive, I guess. Today's a productive day. I know I always make fun of like productive day in my life because that's what I do, but like today we're gonna be doing another one. Oh, also, I wanted to show you guys like my favorites of the month, but like not do a sit down video where I'm like, hey guys, so this is what I like, link in the description. I wanted to kind of like do it a vlog style and show you guys like my favorites because I miss YouTube favorite videos. Like, I wanna know what you've been fucking with, but these are my headphones. I use them every single day. A lot of people have asked me. These are like the Sony W, I'll put them on screen. I was gonna get the Apple AirPod Pros, but then I realized that those were like 600 bucks, 500 bucks. And I was like, girl. So I decided to get these instead. And apparently they're some of the best headphones on the market. And I fully agree. I really like them. And I didn't have to spend $600. And they're noise canceling and they look sleek. Okay, let's go downstairs and let Sterling out to pee. I haven't said good morning to you guys yet. Hold on. I always go on Discord and on my spam account on Instagram and say good morning to you guys. Good morning. Posted. Spam account. Boom. Do you guys like my keychain? It's a mask. Hard hitty, I need a deep stroker, I need a Henny drinker, I need a weed smoker. Yo, the fact that that song still has a chokehold on me like 2 years later is so funny. Like, why do I know the lyrics? I heard that carrying a water bottle makes you more attractive, so why do I know like dumb little psychology things? Yesterday I was on the, yo, I need to stop talking so loud. Yesterday, I'm just being honest, yesterday I was on the Discord and I'm like spilling the tea of my life and one of you guys were like, Mai, please teach me your ways how to flirt with guys. And I was like, y'all think that I just like know? Like when I was 17, I was sick of boys not liking me, so I started reading up on a bunch of articles and books on psychology. That was crazy. Like that's how I know just little dumb like this, like carrying a little water. Y'all give me like my link the articles in the description box. We don't care anymore though. Me at 17 cared. Now I don't care, but like it's like all this knowledge that I have, you know what I mean? Anyways, we're gonna go to the gym. I'm home now. Okay, I am so hungry. I wanted to go stop by a food truck and get some gyro, but I thought that I need to stop eating out because I've been doing that for a week straight. So, eggs in a bagel it is. Apple teeth. I made some eggs with parsley and feta on top, seasoned with salt and pepper, and then some Dave's Killer Bread bagels with some raspberry jam that I got from the market. I have the biggest, fattest urge to clean my house. You know when people come over, my parents were over, right? And it's like they put things in places that aren't supposed to be in places, and now there's just random shit everywhere, and I am actually like icked out right now. Like my hands are like, and I'm just looking at my place and I'm in disgust, which is so funny because I used to be the messiest bitch ever. But right now I'm looking around my house and it actually icks me out. This shit should not be on the counter. You know what I mean? Like everything has a place, and right now nothing is in its place. Like why is there a pillow there? I did not put a fucking pillow there, you know? Anyways, we're gonna clean, but this parsley's hitting. I actually could eat this all day. What time is it? I have to go. Maybe I'll set aside 15 minutes clean. 15 minutes is nothing. Like I'll sit on the toilet on TikTok for an hour. 15 minutes is nothing. I think it'll make me feel better because right now I'm a little bit irritated. I pulled myself a glass of orange juice. I'm currently texting Ashley. I told her to meet at 12:30 because I actually will not be able to function if I don't clean my house. Let's get into it. In 15 minutes I got so much done. I want to keep going but I can't because I don't have time. But it's like sometimes we think that it's gonna take 10 years to clean a place, but in reality like 15 minutes can do a lot. Wow, kitchen is looking nice. I didn't wipe down the counters or do the dishes because that's a lot. This is the living room, and then I put a bunch of the shoes away. I'm going to quickly get ready. I'm just gonna keep the eyes and eyebrows how it is, maybe just like a little bit of concealer. Ew, I kind of want to shower. I'm gonna quickly take a body shower and come back.
2 seconds later.
Bro, I'm a fucking idiot sandwich. I literally just by habit started washing my face and it went like this, and I was like, anyways, let's quickly go through makeup. The Skin Lab Vitamin C Brightening Serum with the Pharmacy Honey Halo Ultra Hydrating Ceramide Moisturizer. This is the Calendula Salve. Got this off of Amazon. I kind of don't want to do foundation. I'm gonna go in with the Charlotte Tilbury Hollywood Flawless Filter Glow. Going in with the Kosas Revealer Concealer in shade 6. 5.5. Going in with the Kosas sponge. I'm gonna take a puff and then the NARS translucent powder. Going with the Revlon Color Stay concealer, but just in a darker shade, and then a little stippling brush. I'm gonna start with a little bit and then build it up. Now going in with the Charlotte Tilbury Glowgasm High Blush. No, now I'm going in, yeah. And then going in with the highlight one, just gonna do a little extra Laneige sleeping mask, and then the Charlotte Tilbury Pillow Talk, Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush setting spray. This is the fit. We got this shirt from Christian Dior, but it's like vintage. I think that this is like different than what I usually wear. It's a lot of color. I think I like it. I'm not sure. Anyways, I want to thank Scentbird for sponsoring this video. Basically, they come in like these little vials. It's a perfume like subscription company. So you know how you have like Netflix and you get to pick from a bunch of different shows? This is like that, but for perfume. So it looks like this. You can like turn it up. Turn it up. Each one of these little vials is a 30-day supply. It's a lot bigger than like the travel size sample ones that you get from the stores. And with this, I can try a bunch of different perfumes without having to commit. As you guys can see here, I probably should have figured this out earlier, but this is Philosophy's Amazing Grace. Oh my god, this one smells so clean. Basically, if you don't know what you want, you can just put in different perfumes that you've already had or like scents that you like, and then Scentbird will help you pick out different perfumes to try. And they work directly with the brand, by the way. They're not like a sketchy brand that's gonna give you fake perfume. They work directly with them. This is MCM. Damn, bougie ass brand. This one is Miu Miu. This one is, ooh, Cartier. She bougie or whatever. This one is Tom Ford. Ooh, I love me some Tom Ford. And then we have Catherine Melandria. But you guys can also upgrade so that you can get like 2 to 3 products a month. Anyways, you guys can use my code to get it for $7. It's usually $16, but I'll leave it down in the description box below. Thank you so much to Semper for sponsoring this video. I'm still trying to figure out what my style is because I don't know. I haven't been buying color lately though because I think that it's easier to just stick with like a black, white, and gray color palette. So these are things that I've had for a while now. I need a purse. Do I go with this one or do I go with this one? My brain is telling me to go with this bag, so we're gonna do that, but I need a jacket real quick. I'm gonna put on this white jacket. I feel like with having a smaller closet, like these are all the clothes that I have. To me, it's small because I used to have a whole closet room. I downsized and basically only kept the things that I love. And I feel like having a smaller closet, it's so much easier to figure out what outfit to wear. Like I never have the problem of thinking, oh, I don't have any clothes to wear because I know exactly what I have. And it's like not overwhelming to be like, okay, I need to pick out an outfit. Like I know exactly what pieces go together, if that makes sense. Does this look good or does it look like shit? Don't know, don't care. This is the fit. I don't have time to change anything. All right, let's head out. Could I just get an iced oat milk latte? I'm just waiting on Ashley right now. For the first time ever, I'm not late, but I was also, ew, why is my lens so goddamn dirty? I just got an iced oat milk latte. Do you guys get oat milk, almond milk, or just like regular milk? I usually get almond milk, but today I decided we'll do oat. Oh my god, this matches the fit. Also, I changed my jacket because I was like, why am I trying to be so color coordinated? I feel like the best fits always have like different things to it. So I put on like a green Leatherman jacket.
Oh, I gotta open mine.
How much did you pay for that?
$17.
So what is the most sexy thing about you?
I will say my self-discipline. I feel like I can be pretty dedicated about things. And that is my answer. Thank you.
Ambition.
Self-discipline. I'm gonna be honest.
I read self-help books every single night when I go to sleep, guys. My favorite self-help books are like self-discipline.
I've actually never read a self-help book. It's all in my brain.
Thank you so much. Thank you. Are you interested?
I don't know an answer.
Sexy in one way. Look at your style.
You literally say your style. You can say your booty.
What is that bag?
What's the most sexy thing about me? Let me think for a second. There's a lot. I'm kidding. I'm kidding. The sexiest thing about me is the fact that I have a pinky toenail. Because you know some people don't have one. I do have one. That's the sexiest thing about me.
I love that. Our answers were so different. That's hilarious.
Wow, thank you.
Yes.
Something to buy the bug, yeah. The buy
Hi. Someone sent me flowers. What the fuck? Thank you. Okay, what the fuck? Someone sent me flowers. I think it's from a brand because I know for a fucking fact I don't got no secret admirer. Bro, I'm shitting my pants. These are gorgeous. Wait, Coco Kind. Hi, Mai. Thank you so much for partnering with us and being a supporter of Coco Kind. No freaking way. Coco Kind is like a skincare brand. Aw, this is so cute. I need to put it in a vase ASAP, Rocky.
One eternity later.
The issue is I went on my phone for too long and started posting my stories, and like I've said before, it's just like a cycle, you know? I post on my story and then I get in the cycle of checking my DMs, posting, checking my DMs, posting. And then after I finish the Instagram cycle, I go onto Discord and start talking to y'all, which I'm doing right now. But it's like I can't get off my phone, and then after I do that, I forget what I need to do for the day, and then I get unproductive. So I result to eating, and then I'm gonna meditate to reset, journal, and figure out what I need to do. Even though I did that in the morning, but I just forgot. Recap what I need to do and then figure it out, because right now I'm like, ugh, there's too much to do, and then I don't wanna do anything, but it's only 5 o'clock. Also, I just talked to y'all on Instagram, and I came to the realization that people see things from different perspectives, like at different heights. I didn't realize that not everybody's fucking 5'1.5". So like when taller people talk to me, they see me at like this angle, and I'm like, whoa. Fun fact, by the way, I put on my story, and then a lot of you guys were like, what? I thought you were like 5'4", 5'6", and I'm like, no. Anyways, currently eating and talking to y'all on Discord. Y'all are about to be in the vlog.
Oh my goodness.
Oh. It is the next day. It's currently 3 o'clock and I've done nothing. Nothing all day. Absolutely nothing. I've ate food. I've gone out to the store to go buy cookie dough. But other than that, nothing. Why is it so hard to be productive for like more than 2 hours at a time? I'm thinking that I should shower and like get ready because I feel like when I look like shit, I feel like shit. So should we trick our brain into thinking I have no pants on right now? Yo, I can't be the only one that scratches my hair, my scalp, and then just a bunch of like dandruff comes out. I don't know if it's dandruff or just like my dry ass scalp, but do you know that massaging your hair will make it grow faster? I'm not like weird, am I? I don't know why, but I hate moisturizing. Like I've been trying to get in the habit of moisturizing my body, but I just can't do it. I mean, like I will be able to, cause you know, I can put my mind to anything. We love a self-affirmation queen, but it's just difficult. I don't know why I don't like it. It's not like I don't like it, it's just like, it just feels so unnecessary to me, but I know that I need to. This is the hemp sweet pineapple and honey melon, by the way. This smells so good. It's like a body butter. Didn't I get ready for this video? I swear I did. Oh my god, why am I doing this again? I actually have a pea brain. The fact that I don't remember is such an L. Well, never mind. You guys don't need to see this. Every single night before I go to bed, what I do is I put on the Lineage sleeping mask. This is good, but I don't think it's as good as everyone says. You have to layer it with calendula sal. This is the best gloss ever, and it's like a little layer of like oil, and this keeps your lips so moisturized. And when I wake up in the morning, my lips are like plump looking. Anyways, I think I'm done getting ready.
One eternity later.
So I went and I started meditating, right? And then that meditation ended up in me taking a 2-hour nap. Anyways, I was just down at the dog park and I had a missed call, and it was from this dude in my building. And like a week ago when I was with my mom at the dog park, I was talking to this dude, and this dude asked for my Instagram, and I gave him my number because I don't want people to know me from my YouTube. So he just called me and he's like, let's go get pizza. And I'm like, usually I would say no, but I'm just like, ugh, why not? But I told him that it has to be quick. Like, I'm not staying out past 10 o'clock because fuck that, that's my bedtime. But if you don't know what's going on, I put on this Pham account. If you follow this Pham account, you'd be up to date. But that same day that he asked for my Instagram, another guy also asked for my Instagram within the span of like an hour. And it's just been really weird lately. So I'm gonna go and then I'm gonna update you. Okay, update, we're back. I'm glad I went, you know? Like, usually I would just say no, but like, I'm glad I went. Am I into him? No. I mean, like, I knew I wasn't into him. Now I know a lot of y'all are gonna be like, then why'd you go? It's because like, there's no harm in going, you know? Might as well leave the house and like, just like make conversation with somebody and just like get to know somebody, you know? I'm trying to say yes to more opportunities, even though I do say yes to a lot of opportunities already. Like, I'm just trying to go into things just super open-minded and just be like, oh, whatever, like, just go for an hour, whatever. You aren't expected to do anything. There's no obligation. Just go have fun for an hour and then come home. You know what I mean? And it was good. Like, I'm glad I left the house. He was cool and all. We went and got pizza. He opened the car door for me and everything like that, but I'm not into him. But it was fun. Like, I laughed out loud a lot. But yeah, that's the update. Anyways, I'm currently cleaning my house and sweating my ass off.